Hey guys, this is another toddler try on haul. We got some new Carter's clothes for Rocket recently and we wanted to show you. These are her overalls. They are a size 2T. They are quite baggy. She turns 2 next month, which is so crazy, but she is apparently not a 2T yet. We're just gonna keep them because they do fit okay. They work for right now and they'll still fit next summer. And they do have these functional pockets. Got pockets, hey? Got this pocket here, you got your functional pockets here in the back pocket. So when she starts getting into collecting things, she can collect her rocks or acorns or pine cones or whatever she finds out in the wilderness. Can you show them your overalls? Overalls, overalls, overalls!
Mama likes them.
I do like them.
Daddy.
Daddy likes them. They're so cool. Yeah. These overalls do have a nice little white lacy hem on the bottom. Other than that, they're very neutral. That's the only like girly part about them. Can we show them the back of the overall so they can see the back? Now should we show them your cool skirt? Do you want like monkeys?
Monkey on YouTube.
Monkey on YouTube.
Monkey.
This is Rocket's new cool tulle skirt. It's got just like this layer of the multicolor on top and then a layer of white tulle. Yeah. And then just a white layer on the bottom for a liner. And this cool gold glittery waistband. She's off. She's running. Whoa! That's the skirt. We got this cute dress for her. It is a 2T, so it's a little bit big. It doesn't really matter. It's just that the straps are a little bit loose. But it's fine. It stays up. That's all that really matters. She likes it. Definitely looks cute on her.
Put on the dad.
Put on the daddy.
Yay. Poof.
Whoa, if you're wearing dress and skirt? It clashes, but it's okay.
Orange.
Orange, yeah, we have orange on the dress. And there's blue and purple and pink on the skirt. Most of this try-on is 2Ts. I did go back and get an 18-month in some of her pajamas. No, thank you. No, thank you. Can you keep it over there?
This.
Yeah, over there, thank you. The 2T pajamas were just too big. The shorts were falling off, so it's just not gonna work in between. So I got her 2 pairs of 18-month pajamas that came as a set together, and those fit well, and they still have some extra room in the waist, so they should work for quite a while. But they are short, so I wanted them to work for this summer because otherwise she's just wearing Santa jammies all summer. Next we have 4 different pairs of pajamas. 2 of them are pants sets so they can be kind of worn whenever. And then the other 2 are the 18-month ones in shorts because I wanted her to have some shorts pajamas for the summer. Otherwise it's kind of just a diaper or full-on long sleeve pants jammies, which seemed like she should have something a little bit in between. All right, so these are a pair of her 2T pajamas. They are long sleeve and pants. She has some girls on it with crowns and skirts and a castle and unicorns and rainbows and all of that stereotypical fairy tale stuff. It came with a purple one, so that's the main reason that we have it. It's not the fairy tale stuff on it that we really particularly like. No ice cream right now.
Ready monkey.
Yeah.
Slide.
Going down the side.
We down the slide.
Okay. This is another pair of her 2T jammies. These are the ones that she actually picked out, and the white ones just came with it. Has a unicorn and castle and stuff on it, but she really likes the purple. That's, I think, why she picked it out.
Upside down, up.
Upside down, up. These are 18-month jammies, and again, she picked them because they're purple. And maybe because they're rainbow. She does seem to like rainbows, but she had an option between this one, a pink pair, and I don't remember the other ones. And she chose this pair. It comes with shorts. They're like kind of like legging shorts. And they go down pretty far. They're at her knee. But and they do stretch out. She has worn them for a couple nights in a row. And I just washed them. So this is how they look when they come out of the dryer. When she's worn them for a couple days, they definitely do stretch out and they're pretty baggy in the shorts, even though they're only 18 months. I like the narwhal. She had some narwhal onesies when she was younger, and we thought those were so cool. So we like the narwhal on it.
Take off those.
It doesn't come off. It doesn't come off.
Stripey.
Stripey. You have stripy shorts. There's no stripies on this. What's this on your shirt?
Rubber.
Rainbow? Yeah. What about this part?
Starsies.
Starsies. Okay. And a cloud? There is a cloud.
Loud.
Cloud. Good.
Sleep. Drown.
You're going to sleep on the ground? I think you're going to do a somersault. Okay, sleeping. Sleeping, baby, rockin'. You sleeping? Alright, we have one last pair of jammies to show them. Not the white ones, the blue ones. These are her other 18-month jammies, the shorts ones. Just like the purple narwhal ones, these ones are blue, and they have a purple narwhal and rainbows and hearts on them.
No people. No people. Roll around. Had it.
Whoa.
Daddy. You.
Yeah.
Good
See you
job.
next time.
Yeah, that's right.
You're such a leaperoni. See you next time.
See you next time. Please consider subscribing for more motherhood and lifestyle content by clicking that red button below and click the little bell so that you are notified when we get new videos up. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and we will know what kind of content is most relevant for you. YouTube will also save it in your liked videos so that you can reference it later. See you next time.
Saying.